Hi guys, Andrew Lugg here again, and today we're going to be looking at WordPress themes, all about them and how to install them. They're really straightforward, so it should be quite an easy lesson. Now, if you log into your WordPress, you'll see straight away your dashboard. All you need to do is just hover down to Appearance, then click on Themes. Now, this screen will show you basically what you've got installed in the way of themes already. And the standard ones that come with it, and obviously it's done in sort of alphabetical order. You've got 2017, 2015 and 2016. This is one I was playing around with earlier. If you like the default ones, nothing wrong with them, they're great. You just click on Activate, it then becomes live on the site. But if you want to go for something a little bit different, click on Add New. You get some other options. Now there's absolutely tens of thousands of different designs of WordPress themes available. Some are free, some are paid for. There's lots of pros and cons between the two. If you're starting out, don't have the budget, then obviously you can go for a free theme. If you do have a little bit of money, and to be honest, when we say a little bit of money, we're talking about $30–40, it's probably best just to buy them, because if you work out the cost of a designer, it's going to cost you a lot more. And you get a lot of extra features unlocked when you go for the paid versions as opposed to the free versions. Now, at a glance, you can generally tell the difference between the paid versions and just by looking, and the free ones. Things like 2017 Clean Blogging, they're sort of, chances are they're the free ones. SKT's Yogi Light, and I stress I'm not promoting these at all. It's in the list. The fact it's got light underneath generally means that it is the free version of the theme, but there'll be a professional version or a paid version, which again will probably be about $20, $30, $40. It varies depending on the designer. Now they're really easy. All you have to do, you go through, you can see what the popular ones are, latest ones are, etc. Or you can even go through a filter and say, well, I want an e-commerce one because I'm going to be selling. I want to be able to have a custom header, and I want it to have 2 columns, and then all you do is you apply the filters and it comes back with suggestions. So if you see one that you like, well, I quite like this one, all you do is click install there. Notice this one also says responsive. You want a responsive theme as well, because that basically means it will work on any mobile device. It scales, so that's what you're aiming for. You can also preview them first as well before you actually, just check you like it. When you're happy it's installed, just click Activate. Job done. So we can check what it looks like on the website by going up to the top and then Visit Site. And we've instantly got a new look, and your menu's appearing at the top. Go back to the themes again. You'll see there's also the customize. Now you can go into there and change different settings, colours, bits and pieces, but you'll notice as well with this theme, along the top it recommends the following plugins. So you can either go into each one, which I recommend, and install manually. So you just click on it and then click install, or you can go begin installing plugins and it will go off and install them for you, which is fine. I mean, providing the theme works with your version of WordPress, which chances are it will, you should be fine, there shouldn't be any problems. But as always take a backup. Now there is a previous video I've recorded on how to do backups of your site, so it's worth having a look at that, because it saves a lot of heartache if things do go wrong, but generally they're fairly safe and secure. So that is WordPress themes in a nutshell. If you've got any questions, obviously put them below. Recommend you subscribe and click on the little notification bell next to us, so anytime we upload any more videos, then you'll be alerted. Okay, have a great day. Take care. Bye.